All right, next one, tenant risk. This could be an interesting one because the bank is looking into this a lot. You should be looking into this a lot. You have a lease, right? And you may have 50 years of lease term, but how sure is that lease? How do you know that tenant's going to pay you? Is there any risk of them going out of business? Is there any risk of them relocating? Think about an Olive Garden. Think about what Olive Garden would have to do to get out of that lease with you. They would have to declare corporate bankruptcy. That's why they sell at a lower cap rate and people are willing to make less money on them, is because of the surety of Olive Garden staying and honoring that lease, at least while they have lease term.
People still eat at Olive Garden?
No.
I'll take a slightly different bend on the tenant risk. You don't know which tenants are going to leave. But if you take a quick look at the rent roll and 80% of the tenants have expiring leases in the next year, that's a higher risk because they can easily leave at the end of their lease. Then if you take a look at the rent roll and there's at least 5 years left on every single tenant, that's a lower tenant risk than the previous example.